Hi, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'm a software engineer here at Microsoft Research Cambridge. I mainly focus on web apps and web interfaces for the various different departments here. This particular one is for the machine learning team, who are looking to collect data for a model to predict attainment in online education. Now, it's got two sides. It's got the side of the students, so how well do the students learn and how well do they do in exams, and how well do the teachers summarise the topics that they're asked to prepare. We did this via Mechanical Turk, which is it's a workplace for small human intelligence tasks, in this case summarising Wikipedia articles and taking part in exams. And the Mechanical Turk workers, were split into two groups, half of them taking the part of the students and half of them taking the part of the teachers. The teachers were shown a basic interface with a link to a Wikipedia article. They were asked to read that article and summarise some specific areas of that article in 1,500 characters or less. That's not very much, but we found that they did quite well. The teachers aren't made aware of what the exam that the students will be shown on that topic contains. They're given a few pointers as to what they should summarise, but not everything is there. So they do this for 10 topics. Once they've submitted their topics, an admin user goes through and can look at the submitted work for a particular teacher and see if what they've written actually contains the information that the students need. Now, providing that they have answered at least 3 of the questions, then that topic is approved and put into the database, ready for students to have a look at. When the students come on, they are shown the summary text of the article, and they're given about 3 minutes to read through it and answer 5 multiple choice questions for each topic. And they do this for each of the 10 topics. Each of the topics is coming from a different teacher, so that way we can ensure that the same student gets a wide spread of teachers, and also that a teacher is given a wide spread of students. Once all that's done, we can look at the attainment for each student and also the overall grades that the students have attained. We can see from our results that a few students did very, very well. In fact, better than the lessons that they were shown allowed. So they're obviously showing a bit of initiative and going off and reading some extra information on the subject while the exam's on screen. Each student is also asked to rate the lesson that they've just read, and this gives us an idea of how well the teachers are doing in terms of communicating the information that they're asked. Given this data, we can train a model to predict how well a given student will perform in an online exam, and also how a given teacher's students will perform given a set of parameters.